Welcome to our daily worksheets designed to work on numbers and different first grade math concepts. There are a total of 120 sheets in the Model A, another 120 in the Model B, and 40 more in Model B+. Each sheet corresponds to a specific number from 1 to 160. Still, they are not assigned to any particular date in the school calendar, so that they can be used flexibly depending on the teacher's objectives at any given time. You can print them both in black and white for daily use or in color for creating centers by laminating each of the sheets. The activities included in the three models are as follows: the number of the day from 1 to 160, writing the name of each number, distinguishing between even and odd numbers, counting with tally marks, expanded form of each number, place value, base 10 blocks, +1 and -1, +10 and -10, number line, fractions, converting between analog and digital clocks, and vice versa, greater than, equal to, and less than, completing two sequences of incomplete numbers, writing the day of the week, and writing the month of the year. Additionally, there are 4 daily 2-digit addition and subtraction problems, placing the day in 10 frames, showing the number of the day with coins, recognizing geometric shapes, and algebraic reasoning. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to get these worksheets, which will help your students reinforce the mathematical fundamentals they've learned in class like never before, and with minimal effort.